Hey, Apple TV fans. Ever wondered how to supercharge your streaming capabilities? Me Too TV, the best IPTV provider. Contact Nancy, the fantastic customer support rep. Links in the description. IPTV on Apple TV unlocks an entire universe of channels for you, enabling streaming beyond imagination. But can you use IPTV on Apple TV? Let's find out how. First, ensure you have an IPTV subscription like 2TV, our top recommendation. Sign up and then download an IPTV Player app to your Apple TV device. Next, open the IPTV Player app and input the IPTV playlist provided by your service. This step synchronizes your channels with the Apple TV seamlessly. Explore a world of streaming possibilities at your fingertips. Enjoy global channels, movies, sports, and more, all effortlessly accessible with your customized IPTV playlist. And there you have it, folks. Transform your Apple TV into the ultimate entertainment hub now. Subscribe for more amazing tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated.